Hello, class, and welcome to week 13 of English 101 Online. For this week in English 101, we will be working out of the Great Learning Resources for week 2. This week, you'll be learning about the annotated bibliography. There is an assignment where I'd like you to complete an annotated bibliography of the sources that you will be using in your grades essay. And there is also information about the CCBC Libraries database link for you to search for reputable articles to use for your annotated bibliography. There is also an annotated bibliography example in the Great Learning Resources Week 2 to help you. And I will also be posting some examples on the announcements page to assist you with the understanding of how to complete your annotated bibliography, which is due at the middle of the week. Also, I'd like you to begin working on the grades essay further in the week. In order to do that, I'd like you to look at the Lumen to get some information about how to create a good thesis statement. And for that, you would go to the Lumen, and under Module 3, you will see a link that is a video link for the thesis. It'll explain how to write a really clear thesis in the last line of your introduction. And also, there is information about creating an effective thesis statement as well. So please take a look at the calendar to see what is coming up due. And, we just have this week and next week for the semester. So I'd like you to continue to work diligently. Thank you very much.